Welcome to the best picks. The best mirror sliding doors is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your home, instantly elevating the style and functionality of your bedroom or closet. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mirror sliding closet doors, exploring the key features, benefits, and considerations to help you choose the perfect doors to match your needs and aesthetic preferences, ensuring a seamless blend of form and function in your space. Number 5. Primeline N6790 Roller Assembly. This is the Primeline N6790 Mirror Door Roller Assembly. It's designed for easy installation and smooth operation. It features snap-in bracket clips that securely lock into steel-framed door rails, keeping your doors aligned. Replacing old or broken roller assemblies is now simple. This assembly is a perfect replacement for your steel-framed mirror doors. Installation is quick and straightforward. It mounts easily to the bottom of your sliding mirrored closet doors and is fully adjustable. It's built to last with a steel housing and a durable plastic wheel, ensuring smooth, quiet, and long-lasting performance. This roller assembly has a 1 to 7/16" outside diameter wheel and a housing measuring 3 to 1/16" wide x 3 to 3/8" tall. Please check your measurements before ordering. What we like. This part is easy to install and is very durable. It ensures a smooth and quiet operation of your sliding doors. If you need a reliable and simple replacement for your closet door rollers, this is the one for you. What people say. Exact replacement. Simple to install. The new piece went much quicker and works perfectly. Did the trick and fit our 30-year-old ACME 4-foot by 8-foot mirror glass doors perfectly. Not as sturdy, heavy gauge, as the originals, but we ordered some extras for the next time. It saved us a ton of money by not having to replace the doors. Number 4. Primeline N6870 Roller Assembly. This is the Primeline N6870 Mirror Door Roller Assembly, perfect for your sliding mirror doors. It's designed for smooth, quiet operation and long-lasting durability. It features a durable plastic wheel with a concave edge for a smooth, quiet roll. This ensures it will last for years to come. Installation is simple. It mounts to the bottom of your sliding mirrored closet doors. Plus, it's adjustable after installation for a perfect fit. With 2 to 1/2" mounting hole centers, it measures 1 to 11/16" wide and only 7/16" deep. Please check the dimensions before ordering to ensure compatibility. While commonly used on wood-framed sliding mirror doors, it's important to verify compatibility with your specific door. Check the provided line art for dimensions. It boasts an adjustable steel housing and a 1 to 1/2" center grooved plastic roller. This combination provides both strength and smooth operation. What we like. This roller boasts a robust steel housing and smooth ball bearings. It provides a remarkably smooth and quiet roll for your sliding doors. If you are looking for superior quality and a long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These were better and fit perfect. We bought these and replaced the existing rollers which had become frozen due to 12 years of grime. Now they operate like new. Much cheaper than replacing the doors. Super easy to swap onto my closet door, works beautifully. Number 3. SONGMICS Jewelry Cabinet. It's a stunning piece that will add a touch of sophistication to your space. The unique round shape and floating illusion design cleverly conceal the jewelry storage. With its extra-wide surface, it provides a broader and clearer reflection. You'll easily see every detail while getting ready. The interior mirror with LED lights is perfect for applying makeup. No more opening and closing the cabinet to check your reflection. It offers plenty of room to organize all your jewelry and makeup essentials. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers and wasted time searching for items. This stylish and functional cabinet makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. It's both beautiful and practical. What we like. This stylish piece offers a large, illuminated mirror and ample storage for your jewelry. It's perfect for those who value both functionality and aesthetics. If you're looking to upgrade your vanity area and keep your jewelry organized, this is a must-have. What people say. It has a lot of room inside. It came with 2 keys to lock it if you have children or sisters that like to take your things. It's easy to set up and very sturdy. Great space-saving cabinet. Everything fit in it. Earrings, necklaces, long and short, and perfumes too. Good quality mirror that reflects a skinnier version of me. Great lighting, but seems a little persnickety when turning opening door. Very easy to install as well. This product came almost 100% assembled. It was easy to attach the hanging arms. It is solid, so you may need an extra set of hands to hang. My daughter loves it and there is plenty of storage. Number 2. Frameless full-length mirror. This stunning mirror is perfect for any room in your house. Its sleek design and high-quality materials will add a touch of elegance to your space. With its 1-inch beveled edge and premium silver backing, it's both stylish and resistant to corrosion, ideal for bathrooms or any humid environment. It's made of high-quality glass for lasting beauty. The authentic silver backing eliminates reflection distortion, ensuring a clear and crisp image. Installation is a breeze. We provide all the necessary accessories, including hooks, screws, and safety backing. Just follow the simple instructions. Clean the wall and mirror. Apply glue to the back in a bean shape, and press it firmly against the wall. Let it dry for 24 hours before hanging. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return it for a full refund or exchange within 30 days. What we like? This full-length mirror is easy to install and incredibly durable. It's a perfect addition to any bedroom or closet. If you need a large, reliable mirror for your home, this is a great option. What people say. Beautiful door mirror. The frameless design and rounded corners add a touch of elegance, and this product is a bit more sophisticated than your average door mirror. It's very sturdy and was easy to adhere to the door. Installed this mirror in my bathroom behind the door. I have very thin drywall and wanted a lightweight mirror to glue to the wall. It's light enough for one person to lift and I got it against the wall fairly straight. I am happy with it so far. Really had no available wall space on my bedroom walls for a mirror due to windows and furniture placement. I purchased this and installed inside of a coat closet laundry closet just outside of my bedroom. Perfect solution. When I need it, I just open the closet door, and then when not needed it is perfectly hidden. Installation was easy. Have had it up several weeks now and installation seems solid. It is a narrow mirror, but plenty wide enough for my use as just for reviewing my clothing outfit choices when dressed. Number 1. Primeline N6963 Roller Assembly. This is the Primeline N6963 Mirror Door Roller Assembly. It's perfect for smooth, quiet operation of your sliding mirror doors. It features a durable plastic wheel for a long-lasting, smooth roll. The 1 to 3/8-inch wheel is designed for quiet operation. Installation is simple. It mounts to the bottom of your sliding mirrored closet doors. Plus, it's adjustable after installation. This roller assembly is designed for use with contractors' mirror doors that have a concave track. Please check your door's track before ordering. Before purchasing, please refer to the included line art for dimensions to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. It's not a universal fit. Upgrade your sliding mirror doors today with this high-quality roller assembly. Enjoy smooth, quiet operation for years to come. What we like? This roller features a sturdy steel housing and provides a smooth, quiet roll. It's designed for specific door types, ensuring a perfect fit. If you're a contractor or DIY enthusiast working with specific mirror doors, this is the right choice for you. What people say. Always surprises me that this manufacturer seems to have the exact replacement for different closet door components. Whether 20, 30, or 40 years old, they support them all. The quality is right on. My old mirror door tracks were warped and rusty, so I purchased the Primeline N6877 replacement tracks, but those need flat convex wheels and my old doors used concave wheels. The wheel assemblies in both this 6963 and the old 6870 wheels slide out of their housing, the part that screws into the actual mirror door itself, and that the housings are identical to each other, so the wheels should fit either housing assembly. So I installed the new tracks, removed the old wheels from their housings, and installed the new wheels into the existing housings on the doors, and now they slide roll perfectly on the new TN6877 tracks. These are the perfect replacement for my closet doors, easy to install and an excellent value, Could not find them at any of local hardware stores. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.